So this one is just your teaser. This is not yet the proper light show. So I've read that this year's theme is space. So this is what we expect to see later. The light show is until the end of the year. So while waiting, let me just show you a bit of this shopping mall. They got some flea market, restaurants, coffee shop, convenience store. Let's see what else do they have here. This looks fancy. Is this a coffee shop? Oh wow. Let's go inside.